Hello and welcome back. As you can remember from last week, my name is Jake Simonton and I am presenting on the importance of social and emotional learning in our students' education. As I went over last week, the importance of educating to the four domains of the whole child. The four domains include the physical needs, intellectual needs, the social needs, and emotional needs of our students. And being able to balance all four of those domains in the classroom and be able to teach to the whole child. As you remember, in the first 160 years of public education, we focused solely on the intellectual needs of the student, and then in the last 40 years or so, we began to also start to bring in the physical needs of the student. And now, I believe, going forward, in order to educate the whole child successfully, we need to start focusing on hitting all four domains, not just the intellectual and physical needs of the students, but also the social and emotional needs of the student. The stakeholders impacted by social emotional learning include, at the beginning, of course, the school administration and the teachers, who are going to be putting together an actionable plan that fits to each of the individual schools' clientele or students. And then also the most important stakeholders in this are the students by far, and they need to not only be a part of this, but be able to be reached in a way that is individualized for them in all four domains again. And then the last stakeholder, but very important as well, are the parents or guardians of our students. And they need to be educated on what the school and what their students are doing in our schools in order to become fully educated individuals. Look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you.